Good morning, friends. It's 5 in the morning and it's a weekend and it's a plan to go on a group bike ride with Star Academy. Now it's time to get ready. I'm getting ready with my bandana so that it doesn't mess up with my hair when I put my helmet. Next, what? It's time to wear my very lightweight riding jacket, which I got it from Thailand. And it's pretty light and very good for the weather that we have it in Delhi NCR. And the helmet that I have got is a full face SMK. Now it's time to go out and meet my friend Rose, who will be coming very soon. We are meeting at my gate of the society. Hey Rose.
Yeah. Hi, Sneha. I'm so excited because I'm going for the first group ride. So first we'll be going to the Bikers Cafe. After
Okay.
that we'll go to the Leopard's Trail.
Yay! A leopard
Yay.
trail with the group, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now it's time to start from Bikers Cafe, Gurgaon, and we are heading to Leopard's Trail from here. And our group members are waiting on the main road. So this time, not a lot of riders joined, but it was a good start for us because it's our first group ride for Rose and for me. The weather was cloudy and I started to reach Leopard's Trail. It started to drizzle and we introduced each other and we met at Rati Cafe along with a good weather, some good chai and lovely parathas which is just on the way.
And capital master from the so let's say there's a village, okay, and it's got ROI, okay, and somebody wants to invest in ROI.
I really enjoyed the time because you get to know new riders, experienced riders, and it was a short morning breakfast ride. And then Rose and I had to head out by ourselves. So this was it, and we enjoyed our ride with the Star Academy. And we are heading to our places. And thanks for watching.